Welcome to this week's edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. In Bulgaria, a landmark legal ruling is transforming patient access. The Supreme Administrative Court overturned age-based restrictions on drug reimbursement, setting a key precedent for patients with rare diseases and cancer. This decision challenges Bulgaria's restrictive positive list and expands access to life-saving therapies. In the U.S., President Trump's proposed $18 billion cut to the NIH budget is raising alarm. Researchers warn of halted trials and lost momentum in rare disease research. A Maryland family seeking HABC treatment highlights the urgency. Meanwhile, UK biotech Synaptics Bio struggles to secure funding amid global headwinds. In Canada, the Canadian Organization for Rare Disorders is calling on provinces to activate the $1.4 billion Rare Disease Fund. The group urges investment in diagnosis, mental health, and cross-border care, not just drug access, as most funds from the 2023 strategy remain unused. Pharma has taken over global development of Spevigo for generalized pustular psoriasis, a rare, life-threatening interleukin-36-mediated skin disease. The deal includes worldwide commercialization rights and expansion to additional indications. Ultragenyx's gene therapy UX111 for Sanfilippo syndrome A was rejected by the FDA due to facility issues, not clinical data. Despite the setback, resubmission plans are likely, and analysts remain optimistic. A groundbreaking case from NYU Langone reports reversal of paralysis in an 8-year-old using experimental 4-HB CoQ10 therapy for mitochondrial disease. The patient regained mobility after 2 months, marking a potential turning point in mitochondrial treatment development. Rugonersen, an antisense therapy for Angelman syndrome, showed early promise in a Phase 1 trial involving 61 children. Improvements in EEG and behavior were noted. The therapy restores UBE3A expression, with Phase 3 planned for 2026. The FDA has granted orphan drug status to Adcentrix's ADRX-0405 for gastric cancer. The antibody drug conjugate offers new hope for rare gastric and prostate cancers, benefiting from regulatory support and 7 years of exclusivity. Clotho Neuroscience's ALS gene therapy KLTO-202 also received orphan drug designation. With preclinical studies complete, the company plans to move into human trials. The designation offers development incentives and market protection. A physician survey shows 81% support AI use in diagnosing rare bone diseases via imaging, especially X-rays. Key concerns include transparency, data privacy, and diagnostic errors, but interest in AI integration is strong. AstraZeneca's Anselamimab failed to meet endpoints in a late-stage trial for AL amyloidosis, missing reductions in death and hospitalization. Despite the outcome, the company is exploring subgroup analysis for future potential. The FDA has granted orphan drug designation to SH110, an oral glioma treatment designed for patients with swallowing difficulties. The therapy supports compliance and expands Pharma's user-friendly oncology pipeline. Lastly, Acela Health is highlighting its patient-first model in rare disease therapy distribution. A podcast series outlines flexible strategies that boost access, personalize care, and support long-term therapeutic success. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com